Hello children, I am Suryavanshi. I will teach you the first chapter of class 6th. The name of the chapter is Food. You can see in your picture. In the beginning, we want to know about the food. In other words, we can say what is food. Then we can define it. A substance which gives energy in the form of nutrients to keep body in good health is called food. All living things need food to stay alive. The components present in the food are called nutrients. Food works in our body in many ways. It protects our body from the disease. It provides energy. It helps overcome wear and tear of the cells. It helps in the growth and development of the body. Now question arises, from where food comes? There are the two sources mainly of the food. First source is animal and second source is plant. So first of all, we shall learn about the plant products which are the source of food. So first, the plant products are root, stems, flowers, seeds, leaves. There are the many parts of the plant that we can eat as a food. So now you are seeing in your picture, these are the roots that can be eaten as a source of food. Now we can define the roots. The underground parts of the plant which helps to absorb water and nutrients from the soil are called roots. Roots are under the earth and it holds the all plants with lands. Some examples you are seeing in your picture are sweet potato, carrot, radish, turnip, and so on. Second part of the plant that can be eaten in the form of stem. You are seeing in your picture sugarcane. Generally, the stem grow above the ground. The stem of a plant is the link among the roots, leaves, flowers. The stem also hold the plant upright. Next, leaves. You can see in your picture, this is the cabbage that we can eat in. Lettuce, mustard leaves, spinach are also leaves that can be eaten. Tulsi, pan, all the leaves can be eaten. The betel leaves, in other words you can say pan, are eaten for digestion after the meal. Fruits, there are many fruits that we can be eaten. Apple, figs, mangoes, pomegranate, bananas, and you can see in your picture there are the many fruits in the picture. The fruit is a matured ovary of a flower. It contains the seed. There are different types of the fruit. Oranges, dates, plum, banana, pomegranate, apple are the example of the fruits. Flowers, there are the little quantity that we can eat in as a flower. You can take example of cauliflower, broccoli that are eaten in the form of flour. A great quantity of the seeds that we eat, peas, rajma, beans, rice, moong, maize, wheat, are all seeds. Now we will learn about the food items that comes from the animals. First, milk, meat, eggs and honey are the main source of the nutritious food that we can get from animals. First we will learn about the milk animals. Milk animals are animals that give milk. You can see in your home, buffalo, cow gives us milk. From milk we can make butter, cheese, curd, ghee, khoya, etc. Secondly, poultry animals. Poultry animals include chickens, fowls and ducks. They provide us eggs and meats. Eggs are rich in proteins and vitamins. The chickens that are reared for the meat are called broilers. You can see in your picture, these are the broilers. These are reared for the meats. Honeybees that makes honey from the nectar of flower. Honey contains water, sugar, minerals and enzymes. It is often used in medicines to cure cough. And goat, fish, sheep and pig, these animals constitute nearly 70% of the total meat supply in India. According to food habit, we can classify the animals in three parts. Some animals eat only plant and plant products. Some animals eat flesh of other animals. Some animals eat plant products and the flesh of other animals. According to these, we can classify these. So first of all, we will learn about the herbivores. These are some pictures of herbivores. That is the animals that eat only plant and plant products. Second, carnivorous. There are the picture carnivorous. They feed on the flesh of other animals. Lion, tiger, crocodile, snake are the examples of carnivorous. After this, omnivorous. These are the animals that take plant products and flesh of other animals. They take both. So these are called omnivorous. Children, you know very well, all human beings are omnivorous. Dogs, rat, cats are the omnivores. In the omnivores, there is another category of the animals. These are called scavenger. Mainly live on the dead and decaying foods. These are called environment cleaner. The examples of scavengers are hyenas. Hyenas means wild dog, vulture, jackals and scavenger, and help to keep the surrounding clean. Now you can see in your picture the whole chapter at a glance. You can learn some points from the roundup, and now you are able to give some questions. You see there are the photographs with your video, so you can try the questions, and I will meet you next day with the answer of these questions. Thank you.